Hey guys, I wanted to give y'all one last quick, hopefully no more than 5-minute video about proportional relationships related to tables and equations. And so I thought what we'll do is we'll just quickly go through here, look to see if we have a constant rate of change, which remember for you that means it's a straight line, and then we'll see if it's proportional. And remember, if it's proportional, guys, it looks like that. Linear goes through 0, 0. Linear goes through 0, 0. Linear goes through 0, 0. Okay? So just so you have a picture of what proportional looks like. So whenever we're doing this, we always start with a constant rate of change, which is delta y over delta x. Change in y over change in x. So just a reminder, y is down. And you may want to pause this video to write this table. Okay, so you may want to do that. Go on and pause it so you can write this so I don't get too much in front of you. And once you do that, we just say, okay, well, how much is it from here to here? Plus 5, right? How about from there to there? And if you don't know, you just say, well, 10 minus 5. 15 minus 10, 20 minus 15, and we get 5. So our change in y is 5. So we have a constant change in y. Now we're looking to see if we have a constant rate in change in x. So how much is that changing by each time? By 2, right? Each time it goes by 2. So my change in x is 2. So I know this is flip-flopped, remember? Y is down, we put it up. X is up, we put it down, okay? So remember, this is always m, okay? So a linear equation, we have something called y equals mx plus b. So 100% we know this will be a straight line. I know this is m. Now we check to see if it is also k. We want to know if it's k, because we have to see if it goes through 0, 0, because if it's k, it's proportional. So let's take our table back, follow the pattern, 8, 6, minus 2, 4, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 0. Okay, I'm going backwards by 2 each time. How about here? 20, 15, 10. You can tell each time I'm subtracting 5 when I go backwards, 5 minus 5, which is 0. So guess what? This is proportional. This is also k. So really, instead of using this equation, we use y equals kx. So k, in this case, is 5 over 2. So all we do is we put 5 over 2, x. That is my equation. I know it's proportional. There's no plus, there's no minus. Okay, so this one is proportional, guys. Write that word, proportional. Why is it proportional? It has a constant rate of change, and it goes through 0, 0. Last question. Okay. First, we look to see what our constant rate of change is. I'm letting you know we will have one. Delta y over delta x. Change in y over change in x. So, guys, if you haven't written this table, pause it and write it down. What is my change each time? Can you tell it went up by 3? 5 plus 3 gives me 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 3 is, oops, that should be 14. Let's fix that. My bad. Okay, so each time it went up by 3, if I wrote my table correctly. And then my change in x, how much is that changing by? That should be 1. Okay. Now, in 7th grade, guys, basically everything you're going to deal with is going to be linear. Everything will have a constant rate of change. It's just a matter of if it's proportional or not. Right now, we can already tell this is linear. Do you remember which letter it is if it's linear? If we have a constant rate of change, we know it's m. I know m. Okay? Now, I'm going to take my table back and see if it goes through 0, 0. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. When I go back, each time I'm going back by 3. 14 minus 3 is 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is not proportional. This is not K. Okay? Because it does not go through 0, 0. Okay? So it is not K. So we actually would use this equation, y equals mx plus b. We know what our m is. It's 3 over 1, or just 3, it doesn't matter. And our b is actually going to always be this number right here. If it's not 0, 0, it's whatever it is, 0, and then whatever that y value is. Okay, we call that b. And just to check, here's my little magic for you today. I'm going to choose one of these x's. It doesn't matter. I'm going to choose 3. Okay? X is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, right? That's 9 plus 2. 11. Oh, well, look, whenever I put in 3, what number came out? 11. And that will work every time. I can do that with any of my values here. Okay, just make sure that one was corrected. Okay? So proportional, not proportional.